Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for products online using Google AI Mode. So once you're on Google, you'll find towards the right hand side Google AI Mode, this AI Mode icon here. You click on it and it's going to open up a full blown chat for you. And so if you would like to search for a particular product, you can easily go ahead and click the plus and you can upload the image right here. So I'm going to go ahead and find some product right here. And let me take this cup, for example. I'm going to upload a cup right here and I'm going to say, tell me what cup is this, right? And then you will see it's going to look at it and it's going to tell me what it is, right? As you can see, tell me that this cup is a Stanley cup, right? And it's kind of showing some websites that, let's say, speak about that. So for example, I'm asking it, find me some online stores that sells this cup for a good price. And it enter and it's going to find me different websites that are currently selling this for a really good price that I can purchase. And you can even see some sites of this showing on the right hand side as well. And if I scroll on here, you will see that it's going to find some options here, right? So here it's basically says Stanley Cups, that, and here it says where to look for the cup. And here it's telling you that you can basically find it here, official Stanley website. And yeah, it's just basically giving you, and you can even ask it, can you bring the website links? And it can even give you, so just imagine this is your Google Chat GPT, right? Just think about it like that. And yeah, it will basically do as much as it finds. Here you can see it gives a different website. So if I would like to look at it from the official website, I can click on it. And as you can see, it's going to take me right over to the official website. And that's it, guys. So this is how you can easily find products using Google AI Mode. Very easy and very simple.